Hey everybody, it's Connie. Welcome today. I'm so glad that you could join me. I know that we all have dip like this in our refrigerator, but let's go from drab to fab. I'm about to show you how to make a $1 million dip that will be a hit at your next party, and I can't wait to show you. Okay, so let's get started. This dip is really easy to put together in just a few simple ingredients. So what we're going to start with is 1 block of cream cheese at room temperature. We're going to cream it just like this and kind of get it broken up just a little bit. And then to it, we are going to add 1 cup of mayonnaise. Now this is the real mayonnaise. It is not the Miracle Whip. So make sure you get the real mayo here. And you can use the low-fat mayonnaise. It doesn't really matter which one you use. And the low-fat cream cheese if you'd rather have just a little bit healthier choice. And then we're going to mix these two together real quick and just get them all incorporated together. Okay, so once you have this mixed together, what we're going to do next is add 2 cups of shredded cheese. Now you can use the cheddar cheese or the mixed cheese, the Colby Monterey Jack. I just happen to have this cheese, so I'm going to put that in with my mixture just like that. And we are going to mix this in really well together with the cheese. And then I have 8 slices of bacon. Now what I've done with my bacon is I've used the pre-cooked bacon because I just tend to use the pre-cooked. You can cook the bacon, and but make sure that you drain that very, very well. So once you get your bacon chopped up, put it in your mixture and fold it in also. We want to make sure that everything is incorporated together really, really well. So next is some slivered almonds. Now I have 1/2 cup of slivered almonds. Now you can roast these almonds if you choose, but I just choose to use the raw almonds, and so we're going to put those in. And then I've got 2 chopped green onions. You can use 2 to 3 depending on how much onion you would like. I only had 2, so that's what I'm using today. So I've got the chopped onions. We're going to add that to our mixture here. You're going to need 1/4 of a teaspoon of pepper, and I'm just going to put the pepper in. And then 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and you can omit the salt if you wish. That just gives it a little extra flavor. And then I'm going to hit mine with a little bit of garlic salt. Now I don't usually measure this, so depending on if you like a lot of garlic or not, but I'm just going to hit mine with just a tad of garlic. You can also put cayenne pepper in here if you wish. Okay, you guys, it's that easy. Once you have it in this bowl, all mixed together, you can actually put some saran wrap on it and stick it in your refrigerator for about an hour if you want to chill it. Or you can serve it right out of the bowl just like it is. And that's what I've done. I've got mine in this little bowl. And I like to serve mine with some little entertainment crackers, some butter crackers, the Ritz, whatever you guys have. It makes a fabulous dip to impress your guests, to impress your family, and you're going from drab to fab in just a few seconds. And I hope that you have liked this tutorial today on the $1 million dip. If you have, subscribe, like, share my channel as you always do. And I love it all, and I love you. Go share the love. Tell somebody you love them today. I'll see you next time.